I think this pullback might be over. And I think we had fundamental news in regards to what's driving the markets, which is America and, of course, their tariffs. And we've had some good progression in rewards to what I thought was going to be a likely outcome, or the more likely outcome with tariffs, which was going to be some sort of a dialogue and discussion. And actually, you may end up with lower tariffs across the board and more of a kind of free trade zone. With everybody, it seems, but China at this point. Markets don't like uncertainty. People don't spend money. But there is going to be a major reversal and continuation for this bull market that I think is going to come on the back end of all of this. Really, taking all our draws off, we've said we're really not worried about Bitcoin. This just seems to be a normal pullback. Despite the stock market having one of the worst days it's probably ever had, or one of the worst weeks it's probably ever had on the back end of tariffs and all that uncertainty playing through. And now we've had some resolution on it, or at least a willingness to resolve the situation. We're really just waiting for this to recover, and then you're off to the races in regards to what the charts are doing and showing that confidence. And we've really said this week for me was all about watching what the S&P did before we really look at what's going to take place forward. There could have been further contagion, but despite this kind of price action for the S&P, Bitcoin looked great. And we've said this is interesting. There's a number of reasons perhaps why this is. Actually, for me, I'm looking at a lot of altcoins right now and I'm seeing all the same patterns that potentially Bitcoin also has in the form of a falling wedge. I don't think it's long before Bitcoin continues that journey to the upside. Guys, become a subscriber if you're not already.